Now the topic is p block elements. P block elements. So this is S block, this is P, this is D, and this is F block elements. General electron configuration of p block elements are ns2 np 1 to 6. In this totally 6 groups is there. 6 groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sixth one. Third group, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth group or 0th group or 18th group. 8th group or 0th group or 18th group. Its general electron configuration is ns2 np 1 to 6. That means the outermost electron present in np p orbital 1 from 3rd, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why the electron configuration is initiated ns2 np 1 to 6. In these groups the atomic size are going to increases. Atomic size, ionic radius, covalent radius, all are increases from top to bottom. In these groups 3 types of elements are present. 3 types of elements: metals, metalloids, non-metals. Okay. So from the top to bottom, metallic nature going to increases. First top of the elements are non-metals and metalloids. Next one, metals. The metallic nature going to increases from top to bottom. Now we are going to discuss about the 15th group 15 or 5th group elements. We are called as this group is a 5th group or 15th group elements. 15th group are nitrogen family. Nitrogen family. Here boron family, carbon family. Next one is nitrogen family. Now we are going to discuss about nitrogen family. Elements: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Its elemental symbol: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These bottom one are atomic numbers: nitrogen atomic number 7, phosphorus 15, arsenic 33, this is antimony 51 and bismuth 83. These are elements and its atomic numbers. Now occurrence: nitrogen available in 78% in atmosphere in the earth crust, and nitrogen also available in the formation of NaNO3 sodium nitrate, we called as Chile saltpeter. NaNO3 sodium nitrate called as Chile saltpeter, and KNO3 potassium nitrate also called as Indian saltpeter. Chile saltpeter is NaNO3, Indian saltpeter is KNO3. And this nitrogen also found in the form of proteins in animals and plants. They contain nitrogen. And next one, phosphorus. Phosphorus occurs in minerals of the apatite families. Apatite, this is a fluorapatite, one of the example. Apatite families, in that fluorapatite is a one of the example. Ca9 PO4 taken 6 CaX2. Which are the main components of the phosphate rocks? And it is also present in bones as well as living cells. Okay, and also present in milk, egg. Next one, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, found mainly in sulfide minerals. Arsenic, antimony, bismuth present in sulfide minerals. So these are occurrence of the 15th group elements or 5th group elements or nitrogen family. What is the main electron configuration? Distribution of electrons into the orbitals. General electron configuration is ns2 np3, and nitrogen, from the nitrogen atomic number is 7, electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now we are using in the place of 1s2 position helium, noble gas. By using noble gases, we are follow the electron configuration like this. Here next phosphorus atomic number 15, that is also 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, and up to this 8 plus 2 10 for the atomic number neon. So we are using neon in this, neon 3s2, 3p3. Okay, and atomic number 33, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d. Okay, 4s2, 3d10, 4p3. So 3d is entered. D orbital start from the arsenic. D orbital start from the arsenic. So it is belongs to the period, fourth period. Now we are writing by using of argon, 18 atomic number, argon electron configuration is 3d10, 4s2, 4p3. Okay, 3d10, 4s2, 4p3, and after that next one is a antimony. Antimony by using krypton electron configuration, krypton where 4d10, 5s2, 5p3. Next one bismuth atomic number 83. By using xenon noble gas, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p3. In this all orbitals are present in this 4f, 5d, that means f orbital, d orbital, s orbital, p orbital, all orbitals are present in this bismuth. D is start from the arsenic. Next f is start from the bismuth. All orbitals are present in which of the element? Bismuth. From the top to bottom, atomic number increases 7, 15, 33, 51, 83, and the principal quantum number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Outermost electron configuration. So this is the outermost electron configuration. Outermost electron configuration, principal quantum number is going to increases. So its atomic size or ionic size or ionic radii or atomic radii increases or covalent radii increases. What is meant by radii? Center, distance between the center of nucleus to outermost orbit. This is called as radii. For the atomic one, atomic radii. For the ionic one, ionic radii. For what is the general electron configuration of 15th group elements? Ns2, Np3. N means what is the mean of the N? Principal quantum number. As why we are initiated this Ns2, Np3? All of the orbitals contained in this outermost one S2, P3, S2, P3, S2, P3, S2, P3, S2, P3. So, but the principal quantum number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, principal quantum number is going to change, but orbital having electrons does not change, all are contained 2 and S2 and P3 is there. So, that is the reason we initiated in this Ns2 Np3. Radii are ionic radii. Radii increases size down the group. Okay. So, up to nitrogen to phosphorus gradually increases, and arsenic to bismuth small increases due to presence of completely filled d and f orbitals. Atomic radius from the nitrogen to phosphorus gradually increases, but after the phosphorus arsenic to bismuth, the atomic radius are going to increases slowly. That means the small increases in there because of due to presence of completely filled d orbital 3d10, 4d10, 4f14, 5d10. By the presence of completely filled electron configurations, the atomic radius or ionic radius are going to increase slowly. Okay, the small increasing of atomic number due to the presence of completely filled electron configuration 3d10, 4d10, 4f14, 5d10. Okay, and This nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals. Arsenic antimonies are metalloids. Bismuth is a one type of typical metal. Typical metal. And ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy from the top to bottom in groups. Now what is in this periodic table? 18 groups and 7 periods. So now we are discussing about the groups. In that p block elements, 15th group or 5th group are nitrogen family. In 15th group elements, from the top to bottom, atomic size is going to increases. But certain position atomic size is small increases take place, but commonly atomic sizes increases. So ionization enthalpy decreases. Atomic size and ionization enthalpy both one is inversely proportional. And what is the relation? Why this relation is present? What is meant by ionization enthalpy? The amount of energy required to remove a electron from the outermost orbit. We are going to apply some energy to remove this electron. That is called as IE, ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. This is the one of the atom, this is the one of the atom. So in this one of the electron is present in the outermost. So we are applying some energy. Also in this we are applying some energy to remove electron from this. And which one is easy? This one. Why? Because of in this position it is near to nucleus. So things take place. And we are going to apply the high amount of energy for this one. And in this position the nuclear attractions are very less compared to this. Large distance is there in this small distance. So required energy is high. The which energy? Ionization energy. So due to the increasing of atomic size, ionization enthalpies are decreases. So this is a inversely relation between the ionization enthalpy and atomic size or ionic radii. And also this 15th group elements are have the off-filled electron configuration ns2 np3. In that p orbital have the off-filled electron configuration. Compared with 4th group elements, these 15th group elements or 5th group elements are have the high ionization enthalpies because of off-filled electron configuration. Every element contain ns2 np3, ns2 np3. So the p orbitals are have the off-filled electrons. That is the reason this p block, these 15th group elements have the high ionization enthalpies compared with 4th group element. For example, you compare carbon, nitrogen. Carbon atomic number 6, nitrogen 7. In that which one have the high ionization enthalpy? This one. Why? Because of this is a small size, and also in this it contain 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 off-filled electron configuration. P orbital contain off-filled electron configuration. It is more stable. So that is the reason high amount of energy is required to remove this electron from this. Electronegativity. Electronegativity means tendency of attraction power towards the nucleus. Okay. So tendency of attraction for nuclear attractions. So nuclear attractions, which one have the small size? High nuclear attractions is there. So from the top to bottom atomic size is increases, nuclear attractions are decreases, electronegativity also decreases. So that is the reason electronegativity and atomic size are opposite relation. Electronegativity from the top to bottom decreases because of increasing of atomic size. So by the following this table, this box, you are going to write the what is the electronegativity difference in 15th group elements. So as per this, so electronegativity decreases because of increasing of atomic size simply. And next one, physical properties. Physical properties of these elements. All other, nitrogen is diatomic gas. It is available in the formation of N2 diatomic. Between the two nitrogens, triple bond is present. All other are solids. Metallic nature is increases from the bottom in groups. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals. Arsenic antimony, metalloids. Bismuth is a one type of typical metal. And boiling points increases in groups. Melting points increases up to arsenic. Okay, increases up to arsenic, decreases after the arsenic, next decreases in bismuth, except nitrogen. All shows allotropic nature. Allotropic